Today I am starting the class of English grammar in regard to the parts of speech. Uh, you are requested to listen and reading this part of speech of English grammar so that you will earn good knowledge to create English sentences and you can speak fluently. Now I am starting. Understanding this part of speech is fundamental to mastering English grammar. These categories describe the role that each word plays in a sentence, helping to structure meaning and clarity. Here are the 8 primary parts of speech in English grammar. First, you will take noun. Definition. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, idea, or concept. Example: John, London, book, happiness. Types: proper noun, specific names of people, places, or organization. For example, India, Google. Common noun, general names for things, city, car. Abstract noun, names of qualities, concept or ideas, freedom, love. Collective noun, names for group of peoples or things, team or flock. Now I am going to second slide. Here which is pronoun, you see definition. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. Example: he, she, they, it. Types: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Now, personal pronoun refers to specific persons or things. For example, I, you. Reflexive pronoun refers back to the subject, myself or themselves. Relative pronoun introduces a clause, who or which. Demonstrative pronoun points to specific things, these or those. Now I am going to third slide. Here you will see adjective. Which is adjective? Definition. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun, adding detail or quality. Examples: happy, blue, tall. Types: descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective. Describes qualities: beautiful, old. Quantitative indicates quantity, some, few. Demonstrative points to a specific noun. For example, that car, these apples. Now I am going to which is defined for verb. Definition: a verb expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Example: run is it. Types: action, verb, shows an action. For example, jump, write. Linking verb connects the subject to more information. For example, am, seem. Auxiliary verb helps the main verb. For example, is running, have eaten. Modal verb indicates possibility, necessity, or ability. Can, must. Now I am going to five slide. Here you will see that verb. Definition: adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb, often describing how, when, where, or who, to what extent something occurs. Quickly, very, yesterday. Types: manner adverb, place adverb, time adverb, degree adverb. Describes how an action is performed. Place adverb indicates where an action occurs. For example, here and outside. Time adverb indicates when an action occurs, now, later. Degree adverb describe the intensity of an action or quality. For example, quite, extremely. Now I am going to sixth slide. Here you will see preposition and conjunction. What is preposition? Definition: a preposition shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in a sentence, typically indicating time, place, direction, or method. Examples: in, on, at, with. Common usage: prepositions often indicate location, in the room, time, at noon, or direction to the stores. Conjunction definition: conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Example: and, but, or, because. Types: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction connects words or groups of words that are of equal importance. For example, and, but. Subordinating conjunction connects a dependent clause to an independent clause, because, although. Correlative conjunction: pairs of conjunctions that work together. For example, either or, neither or nor. Now I am going to 7. Interjection. Interdefinition. You follow definition. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion or surprise, often standing alone. Example: oh, oppose. Usage: interjections are often followed by an exclamation mark and are used to convey emotion in spoken or written language. These 8 parts of speech form the foundation of English grammar, helping to structure and convey meaning in sentences. Now I have finished all the part of speech in English. You will read again and again and practice regularly, so that you will improve yourself in English. Without English, English is an international language. It is necessary to know very well. So if you know the grammar of English, you can write good English and you can speak in good English. Now I end the class here. Thank you very much.